Next chapter is morphology. Name of the topic is Morphology of Flowering Plants. Morphology of Flowering Plants. What is morphology? It is the study of external features. Study of external features of an organism. Study of external features of an organism is morphology. In angiospermic plant there are two parts. In an angiospermic plant there are two parts. Part beneath the soil is root system. Part beneath the soil is root system, whereas above the soil, that is shoot. That is shoot. In shoot region, you will see two structures. In shoot, you will see two structures, that is stem and leaves. These are the leaves. Stem and leaves, there are the two parts of shoot. Stem and leaves are the two parts of the shoot system. Aerial part is shoot, subaerial part is root. Shoot has stem and leaves. If we study the morphology of these three structures, that is root, stem and leaf, that morphology is termed as somatic morphology. Study of morphology of root, stem and leaf is actually somatic morphology. Somatic morphology. Root, stem, leaves are the body part of plant. Body part are called somatic parts. Somatic parts morphology is somatic morphology. Now question number 1, that is concerned with the root. Root grow in the direction of gravity, that is away from the light, so negatively phototropic, but in the direction of gravity, that's why positively geotropic. So first one is correct. First option is correct. Negatively phototropic, they grow against light. Light is here, whereas they grow against the light, that is in this direction. And in the direction of gravity, that's why the positive response is towards gravitational force and negative response to light. So better answer is negatively phototropic and positively geotropic. In which of the following root system originates from the radicle? On the basis of origin. On the basis of origin, root is of two types. On the basis of origin, root is kept under two types. If root emerges from radicle, that root constitute taproot system. That root constitute taproot system. If root emerges from the radicle, and what is radicle? That is, it is a part of embryo responsible for the origin of root. And if root originates from any part of plant except radicle, I mean to say, in the formation of root, in the emergence of root or the origin of root, if radicle is not responsible, in that case the type of root is adventitious. Type of root is adventitious root. So there are two types of roots on the basis of origin. If from radicle, taproot system. If from any other part of plant except radicle, then adventitious root system. Let's discuss in these options. Wheat monocot, and in case of wheat, root is adventitious. It arises from the base of stem in cluster, but not from radicle. Same with the rice and maize also. So absolute answer is mustard plant. Mustard is dicot and taproot system is commonly in dicot, and monocot adventitious root system, fibrous root system can be seen in monocots, and wheat is monocot, rice is monocot, maize is monocot. In all of them, they are not originate from the radicle. Incorrect pair. Pistia aquatic plant. It has no root cap. In Pistia, root cap is not present. It is aquatic plant. Instead of root cap, root pockets are there. These are air-filled pockets in the root and helps in buoyancy. So first one is correct pair. Eichhornia. Eichhornia, spongy root. Why spongy? Eichhornia is aquatic plant. Eichhornia is aquatic plant. This is its offset or stem portion. These are the node. From these nodes, swollen roots, spongy roots arise. These are helpful in buoyancy. And upper portion leaves are there. In upper portion leaves are there. These are the spongy root. These are the spongy roots in Eichhornia, and they are the adventitious root. Monstera is known for adventitious roots. So this option is wrong here. Incorrectly match. The incorrect match option is Monstera. Incorrect option is Monstera. That is, taproot system is not found in Monstera. Roots arise from the nodal region. They are adventitious root. Then again, Pandanus. Pandanus is known for multiple root cap. Actually, root cap is single. In most of the root cap is single. See this one. This is normal root. This is normal root in which a root cap is a single structure like this. This is root cap. This is root cap. अब see the case of Pandanus. See the case of Pandanus. Pandanus is commonly known as screw pine. Pandanus is commonly known as screw pine. The common name of Pandanus is screw pine. This is Pandanus root. And let's see the root cap in Pandanus. In Pandanus, multiple root caps are seen. Pandanus or screw pine, multiple root caps are found. So this is the example of Pandanus known for multiple root cap. Incorrect pair is only Monstera. It has taproot system. This is the wrong answer. It is known for the adventitious root. This is the diagram for root, and this is root apex, and this is the basal portion. So regions are asked A, B, C, D. A, basal portion with root hairs. This is zone of maturation. A is zone of maturation, and C, maturation is given in 3 options. So let's proceed for the second one. B, zone of elongation. Again C, it is with this, and this one is also right. And these two are now rejected because B is mentioned as root cap in them. So the only filtered answer is now this one. Even though I haven't checked the C and D option, because A and B are correctly matched, and there is only one option is there in which A and B are correctly matched. So my answer for this diagram is 2. That is, A represents mature zone. This is zone of elongation. This is meristematic area. It's a region of meristematic activity. And this is the root cap. This is root cap. That is, D part is root cap. See the picture and the question is asked from them. First one, modified taproot. Second, modified taproot. But third one is modified adventitious root. Third one is modified adventitious root. First one, it is almost spherical and abruptly thin towards apex. It is napiform root. This is napiform root. Second is shape. See the shape, it is conical. See the shape, it is conical or cone-like, hence conical. And third, irregular, thick and fleshy and directly originate from the stem. If you see the stem of Ipomia batata, the root directly originate from this structure. That's what is adventitious root. That's why it is adventitious root, and thick and fleshy due to storage of food, and the shape is not fixed, hence tuberous root. So third one is tuberous root. Third one is tuberous root. First modified taproot, second modified taproot, but third is modification of adventitious root. So best possible answer is fourth. That is fourth one. First diagram indicates napiform, second conical, third tuberous. Third tuberous. Now choose an incorrect match. Nodulated root found in the legume. In leguminous plant you will see this is the main root and these are the secondary roots. And on the roots you will see the nodule. In nodule rhizobium bacteria are present. So first is absolutely correctly matched. That is, leguminous plants have nodulated root and within nodule rhizobium bacteria is there, hence responsible for the nitrogen reduction. Then respiratory roots are found in rhizophora. Yes, it is also correctly matched. Rhizophora is mangrove. That is vegetation of coastal area. Mangrove what? Vegetation of coastal area. In rhizophora, actually the soil in which rhizophora grows is oxygen deficient. So this is the surface of soil. This is the surface of soil. And see the root. See the root. Actually the root, the soil is oxygen deficient soil. Soil is deficient in oxygen. Hence, branches from this root move up vertically upward. Branches of these root moves vertically upward. This is the main root. This is the main root and these are the branches. These branches move vertically upward and at the tip minute pores are present. At the tip of these root minute pores are present. These pores are called pneumatothode. These pores are called pneumatothode. P-N-E-U-M-A-T-O-T-H-O-D-E. Minute pores through which exchange of air, exchange of gases takes place. Because the soil is oxygen deficient. So it's a modification, and these roots which are showing on outer side of soil, these are negatively geotropic or ageotropic. Second, having pores through which exchange of gases takes place. That's why they are kept under respiratory root. These are kept under respiratory root. Now prop root. Modified adventitious root. Prop root, modified adventitious root. They are seen in banyan. They are seen in banyan. That's why this is wrongly matched. This is wrongly matched actually here. See this one. So answer is here. Prop root They are found in banyan, not in maize. They are found in banyan. They are found in banyan. Actually, in banyan plant, there is a trunk. And these are the long and horizontal branches. These are long and horizontal branches. And these branches are very heavy. These branches are very heavy. These long and heavy branches. So, the roots emerge from these branches. Roots emerge from these branches. They go downward. These are the roots, blue colored root. And they become thick and pillar-like. They become thick and pillar-like. These are called prop root. These are known as prop root. Their role is to provide mechanical support. Their role is to provide mechanical support. Modified adventitious root. Modified adventitious root. Where is in maize? Let's see about the maize. What kind of roots are found in maize? In maize plant, stem is elongated. Stem is elongated. And from the basal nodes, minute thread-like roots are given. Minute thread-like roots are given. They are helpful in attachment of the plant with the soil. So these roots, they originate from the basal nodes. These are known as stilt root. These are called stilt root, found in maize. And we have already studied the tuberous root, that is Ipomia batata, sweet potato. Scientific name of sweet potato, Ipomia batata. Sweet potato, Ipomia batata. Now next one, seventh. In which of the following pillar-like roots originate from the long horizontal branch? We have already studied, that is, they are the prop roots, and prop roots are found in Ficus bengalensis, that is banyan, and this plant is banyan plant known for prop root. Banyan plant known for prop root. Rhizophora already described, that is for respiratory roots. Pandanus screwpine. Saccharum officinalis, scientific name of sugarcane, known for stilt root. Known for stilt root. Pandanus is also known for stilt root as well as multiple root cap. Whereas Rhizophora is known for respiratory roots. Respiratory roots. Rhizobium, a bacteria found in the root nodules of legume. Rhizobium bacteria. It's a bacterium found in nodules of legume. Found in nodules of legume. And this bacteria is symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria associated with the root nodules of legume. So answer is third. Answer is third. Nodulated root, primary root as well as branches, they have nodules. They have nodules. Within the nodule, rhizobium is present. Within the nodule, rhizobium is present. And this rhizobium is responsible for the nitrogen reduction in them. Not in curcuma amada, mango ginger. Not in the casuarina. In casuarina, nodules are there, but rhizobium is not present in that nodule. In casuarina root, Frankia is present within the nodule. Frankia, a bacterium Frankia is present in the nodules of casuarina. Rhizobium is found in nodules of legume only. Now, ninth question. In which of the following lateral branches? Again, the lateral branches originate from the basal and underground portion. That is the main stem. This is the main stem. This is its root portion. And from the base of a stem, base of a stem, these branch arise. Initially they grow horizontally, that is in this manner. Then come vertically upward. Obliquely or vertically upward. And on this particular branch, you will see the leaves and small roots are given out by this structure also. This is an example of sucker. And sucker is found in all these. That is banana, pineapple as well as chrysanthemum. So this is modified subaerial modification of a stem. Subaerial modification of a stem, sucker. Subaerial modification of a stem, that is sucker. This is the main stem. From the base of main stem, this branch arises. Initially grows horizontally, then it becomes obliquely upward. 10. Some plants, the arid region. Arid, that is dry area. Arid means dry area. Question number 10. That is plants of arid region. Arid region means dry area where the rainfall is least. Arid for dry. That is, area is dry. In that case, a stem becomes flat leaf-like structure. The stem is modified into flat green leaf-like structure. Flat green leaf-like structure. See this one. And on this stem, spines are present. On this particular stem, you see spines are present. This is example of phylloclade. This is the features of phylloclade. Entire stem becomes green leaf-like structure. Then it is called phylloclade and it is seen in opentia or many cactus. And these spines which are present over the stem, these are actually modified leaves. Spines are modified leaf. And the leaf-like green fleshy structure is modified stem. That is phylloclade. Let's know other term also. Let's know the other terms. First one, cladode. It is also modified stem. See this one. This is main stem. Normal main stem. And these are the nodes. From nodes, branch arises. And you see these branches are leaf-like green. 1 or 2 internode long branches. They look like leaves. This is cladode actually. And cladode is seen in ruscus and asparagus. First example is ruscus. Second example is asparagus. So these two are the modified stem. In phylloclade class, entire stem becomes leaf-like green, whereas in cladode, that is lateral branches, they become leaf-like. in cladode. Third is phyllodes. Phyllodes, that is part of leaf becomes part of leaf becomes green leaf like a structure, not exactly leaf. Part of leaf like petiole or any structure of leaf get modified into leaf like a structure. Such is known as phyllodes. If part of leaf becomes leaf like, flat green like, that is phyloclade. Whereas entire stem becomes modified into leaf like, that is phyloclade. In phyloclade, entire stem get modified into leaf like structure. Whereas in phyllodes, part of leaf becomes leaf like green. In case of cladode, the branches of a stem, they become leaf like green. They become leaf like green. That is cladode. Phyllodes is seen in Australian acacia. Phyllodes is seen in Australian acacia. Phyllodes is seen in Australian acacia. The phylloem is total leaves of the plant. Phylloem is total leaves of plant. So here the answer is phyloclade. Here the answer, 10th question answer is phyloclade. Thorns found in citrus, bougainvillea, they are modified axillary bud. These are modified axillary bud. This is the main stem. This is main stem. This is the nodal region. From node you see leaf arises and you see hard pointed structure. Hard pointed structure in the axis of leaf. Hard and pointed structure in the axis of leaf. This is thorn. And it is the modification of bud and meant for protection. Meant for protection. So here the answer is axillary bud. Here the answer is axillary bud. 12th question. Tendril. Stem tendril. Stem tendril are not found in. Answer Opuntia. Opuntia we have studied, that is modified stem which becomes leaf like green. Here tendril. Tendril means fine thread like structures. Fine thread like elongated structures. What is tendril? See this structure. See this structure. This is a branch, main stem. This is the nodal region. From node, this is leaf, and you see the axillary bud. Axillary bud get modified into fine fibrillar structure. This is tendril. This is tendril. So if the part of a stem or any part of a stem becomes fine thread like elongated structure, it is tendril. It is tendril. Right? Tendril is seen in cucumber, pumpkin and watermelon, but they are not found in Opuntia. Not found in Opuntia.